Welcome to this mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight but not rigid. Close your eyes or lower your gaze and take a few deeper breaths, allowing yourself to settle into the present moment. Allow your breath to find its natural rhythm. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently leaving your body. Recognize the mind's tendency to travel into the past or the future and simply choose to stay here in this moment. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more still, more grounded, and more centered. If you catch your mind wandering, gently and patiently bring it back to your breath, back to this moment. Again and again. As you continue to breathe naturally, bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Feel the contact points where your body meets the surface beneath you. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and gently invite them to soften with each exhalation. Now, shift your focus to your mind. Notice any thoughts that arise. Simply observe them without the need to react to them in any way. Imagine each thought as a cloud passing through the sky of your mind. Some clouds may be light and fluffy, while others may be dark and heavy. Regardless of their nature, allow them to come and go without engaging with them. Recognize that you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. When a thought arises, try to label it as a thought rather than getting lost in the content of it. This simple act of labeling helps to create space between you and your thoughts, allowing you to observe them more easily. Next, bring your attention to your emotions. Notice any feelings or moods present within you. Just like thoughts, emotions are transient. They come and go like waves in the ocean. Allow yourself to feel whatever emotions arise without resistance or judgment. Once again, you can step back and see them for what they are, emotions. Something that is happening in the space of your being that you can relate to differently if you choose. Imagine your emotions as visitors passing through the guest house of your mind. Welcome each visitor, whether pleasant or unpleasant, with curiosity and openness. Acknowledge their presence, but do not let them take over. You are the host, the one who observes. And when you don't observe your thoughts and emotions, allow yourself to rest in the space of pure awareness. Feel the stillness and peace that arises when you simply observe without judgment or attachment. Embrace this moment fully, knowing that this state of being is your true nature. Rest in this space of pure consciousness for the next few minutes. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to appreciate your ability to observe your thoughts and emotions and how liberating it can feel. Carry this sense of stillness and presence into your daily life. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing some movement back into your body. When you feel ready, allow your eyes to gently open.